Paul Fulton and I recently traveled to the Duke Energy and Vision Center in northern Kentucky, just outside of Cincinnati. Mark Wyatt, the Vice President of Smart Energy Systems for Duke Energy, showed us around this next-generation facility. It's an exciting showcase for the promise and potential of what energy can be using digital technology.
Laura, Paul, welcome to our Vision Center here in Erlanger, Kentucky. As hopefully you've seen as you've come in this morning, this is our premier facility to help educate a whole group of stakeholders within our community and our industry about what our view is of digitally enabling our grid, really with the focus of helping our customers better engage with us as we go forward around how they use energy. If you think about our industry, over the last 100 years, Thomas Edison would not be surprised to see that not much has changed from when he first invented the light bulb and we had electricity flowing through our power plants back in the Northeast. So if you really think about that, our challenge now in a rising cost environment where our consumers are at is how do we provide them better information, more reliable information about how they're consuming our product, whether it be electricity or gas. So we're really excited about the opportunity to partner with Cisco to help us look at options for being able to do that.
Well, Mark, we are too, and I think it's about end-to-end and looking at the technology where we can integrate information technology with energy technology is exciting, and it is the future, and Duke's really leading in that space and very progressive, and we're excited to talk a little bit more, Paul, about what Cisco's doing.
Absolutely. So one of the things that Cisco does is take technology but really make it simple to use and easy to understand. And in today's home environments, we have a lot of technology, but frankly, making the interface to that technology real simple and real elegant is important. And here we have our home energy controller, and you can see it's very simple. It has a touch screen. Here's an example of our energy usage where you can see a near real-time usage of what your energy is. You can go in and look what your energy usage has been by the hour, by the day, by the month. And by having this data, you can predict what your energy bill is going to be. In fact, if you go back, we can go in and set a budget for what we would like our budget to be. In this case, I'll make it 183 and save. And then I can go back and see that, you know, currently with the current settings I have, I'm going to be living within my budget, something that's important for a lot of us. Now, one of the things Mark talked about earlier was time of use. And here you can see that the rates are going to be changing across the different time of the day. And as the energy rates change and get higher, perhaps we would like to not put our washer or dryer on during that time. With the technology that we have, talking wirelessly to appliances, to be able to shut the devices off. Now, sometimes like a dryer, it's important to not shut the dryer off completely because your clothes will wrinkle. So we're being intelligent about this and just having a spin of the dryer every 15 minutes or so. This is the technology that allows us to really help consumers like ourselves to be able to do the right thing with energy usage.
Laura, we're here at the mock-up of our substation facility, which is another critical element of our grid, and I'd like to congratulate Cisco on the announcement of their connected grid solutions.
Thanks so much, Mark. Well, it's great to be here and see the modeling of the substation. The products we introduced were the Cisco Connected Grid Solutions, a ruggedized router and switch. And we know how important it is to have that level of observability and control within the substations. So these products have been purpose-built for utilities, for the harsh environments, in compliance with things like NERC CIP, and really to help achieve that end-to-end architecture and platform for innovation. We've heard a lot today, we've talked a lot about the home energy control, Paul, and I think that's part of what we see you all building here at the Envision Center.
And Mark, I'd like to thank you for allowing Cisco to work with Duke Energy in such a substantial way. You're a leading utility in the market, and it's just fantastic to work with you, and thank you for that.
Well, it was a pleasure to host you today, and we certainly look forward to working with you in the future.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you.